Hi there, I'm Sai, and today I'm doing a quick review of these Uni Posca or Posca markers. Specifics are PC5M 1.8 to 2.5 millimeters. And I'll let you get a close-up of the back here too, and of the front. These are water-based, non-toxic markers. I don't have to worry about my kids getting poisoned from using these pens. They also have reversible tips, so we're going to have my son demonstrate that for you. And I don't know a whole lot about them, and that's why I'm going to bring my son into this picture in a minute, because he requested these specifically, and they're not cheap, and he's paying for them with his own money. So I thought they must be pretty good if he's willing to pay for them, and they're not cheap. So that being said, they come in these pastels. They also come in other colors, like the primary colors, like these ones right here, and he really likes them a lot. But let's go ahead and go straight to him and ask him why he likes these markers specifically. Okay, so here I have Levi. He is the one that wanted these pens, so I'm going to have you tell a little bit about them. So now we were with the pastel colors, and these are the classical colors here. You can see. And you got the, or you wanted these pens, why?
Because I personally don't like using markers because they're really faded and stuff, and they just fade away easy. And these are like paint markers, so if you don't like painting, then you can use these, and it's basically like painting, but it's a lot smoother and easier.
Okay, and so that's the basics of why you liked them.
Yep.
And where did you learn about them from?
From my friend Jasper.
He originally gave you those pens there, right?
Yep.
Okay, and those are the same ones that are inside this package here. Do you want to show a little bit of what you drew here, just some of the stuff that you made in your book there? So we'll take a close-up look. So Levi's just been experimenting here, drawing and making letters and things, as you can see. And so those are the ones that he did with the Posca markers, right, Levi?
Yep.
Okay. And so I heard you say they're smoother, and do you think that they last longer? I think you said something like that.
Yeah, they definitely do too, because I just think it lasts a long time, because I've been using these for like 2 weeks, mostly every day, and they haven't gone out yet.
Okay, and can you show me, before you open the new one, can you just show me with one of the older ones how the tips are reversible?
Yeah, so if you come here, you can take out the tip, and it's actually reversible, and you can also buy new tips.
Awesome, so they're like replaceable tips that
you
can, oh, that's awesome. Okay, and why don't you go ahead and open up these ones, and you can show them how you prime them, because you told me you have to prime them, right, to get them ready to draw with. Okay.
So I grab the red one.
Okay,
and
so
then,
you're going to open it up.
See here, it's white for now.
I see that.
And then.
Okay, so you're just pushing it down?
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting.
See?
Okay, and I'm seeing on there. Let me see it. Take it up now. Oh, okay. And so now it looks like it's primed, right?
Yeah.
And so now can you demonstrate just like to draw with it so we can see if it works?
It draws really smooth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, awesome. That's really cool, Levi. Thank you so much for sharing those with us. You just hold the box up. And so there you've heard it from Levi about the Uni Posca markers. Thanks for sharing, Levi.
Yep.
That's my review of the Posca or Uni Posca markers. This is the 8-pack. You've heard all the details from my son. I hope you liked this review. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.